on, Reek.
Come on. Come on.
What's his name?
Rico.
Come on, Rico.
Come on, buddy.
Walk on.
Hold on. If you want to squeeze him, I probably need to get it more narrow. Though.
All I need right there.
Both of them in there.
Uh-oh.
Both of you.
Oh, I got it.
Go on in there, bud.
We got a back.
I'll let you have some. Come on.
I like it. I like it. No, I don't like it.
Boy. Boy.
They're a lot calmer than
Mm-hmm.
Come on. Come on, bud.
Here, if you want to try this, when it's long forward. You got that, right?
I think so.
Jackie's probably just excited about the
Lights.
lights.
There you go. Come on, boy.
I'll try to get yours the next one.
Yep.
Come on, Rico. You've not ever haltered him?
Nope.
I just want to make sure they don't.
And get those ears through.
He's there you go.
Get your ear out of there, buddy.
Help her or hurt her. We got a bigger one.
Okay.
All right. Squeeze him.
Here, let's get this 4x4 in there, can we?
Well, I need it out here. You can come in here, just stay back. Huh? He's mad.
I'm glad we got him first this time.
Yeah.
You sure got the girl first.
No.
Wow.
Well,
Yeah, because I think last time I was done. Up to me. Easy, easy.
Yeah, I believe I can get a sawzall and a grinder and about 2 batteries.
Well, you're the only person with feet like this. I'm just saying.
No, not even close.
Who?
I mean, he might be currently your only client, but
I ain't taking on too many of these. I'm just saying.
you'll have clients in
I figured it was divine intervention that you came back anyway. Glutton for punishment.
No, I just know that they need the help.
Neighbor gave me some till Monday morning.
Yeah.
But yeah,
I really like that church over there. Problem is, I mean, it starts at 10. And it's over by 11. I always got to check the herd before I go, because it's calving season.
Yeah.
As soon as you turn around and you think nothing's going to go wrong, somebody did. You can roll that over him. All right, Jenny's in now. The only thing Jackie didn't ask her was, you pick a color? Didn't have to ask her that. We ain't got to that point yet. But Jenny's not as bad as Rico, I don't think. Of course, I'm not the doctor.
Chris did AI training.
oh,
Yeah, I
So
got
he's
certified
AI certified?
panel now.
But anyway, he took the GoPro and recorded, and so when they were out in the barnyard, AI and the cows
yeah.
doing their thing, you know, there was cows lined up at an L in the chutes, and all you could hear was, you know, the cows
Yeah.
cutting, you know,
Yes.
gas. So on the video, every time we'd hear one of those, we put this little green bubble up on the
Coming off
screen,
their
like it was.
Yeah.
So we hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Hit the like button, would help us out a little bit. And as always, God bless.